You know, God wants people to go to heaven. He don't want me to go to heaven alone. Alright? He don't want you to go to heaven alone. God wants every one of us to go to heaven. And that's the reason why, ang sabi niya sa John 3:16, for God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in Him should not perish but have an everlasting life. God wants people to know about that particular verse, that I love you, that I want you to go to heaven, that I want you not to be condemned, and I want you to be saved and go to heaven. And how could we do that? We people who are just sitting in the church, by extending our resources so that we could extend that love to other people. And for those who have not known yet God, this is an opportunity for you to understand that we love you and we want you to know God. That's the reason why, no matter how difficult it is, no matter how sacrificial we need to do, no matter that we go out from our comfort, we go out because we love you and because we want people to know Christ and get saved.